Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tejaswini, and my teammates are Vaishnavi, Jyoti, Manish Egoda. And I would like to welcome our project coordinator, Dr. Lokesh sir, our reviewers, Prasanna Patil and Bhavya ma'am. We are here today to present our idea for our final year major project, and we have decided to do a project on crowd density estimation. Now, first we should know about what is crowd density estimation. Crowd estimation is a technique used to count or estimate the number of people in a crowd. As we all know, we have a population of about 7 billion across the globe, and another fact we all know is that about 20% of that population is in India. Here we can see the rate at which the people are increasing. Along with the increase in population, there has been significant rise in the population growth in the possibility of growth gathering at public places. This has called the need for an effective crowd management technique to ensure crowd safety. When I talk about the present, I have no other option other than to address the unfortunate pandemic we are going through right now. This is what motivated us to select this particular project. Now, coming to motivation, this pandemic broke out in the year 2019 from Wuhan, China, a thickly populated country, and it has started spreading across. In 2020, transmitted all over the world, millions of people lost their lives and millions of more people still suffering. Our government has come up with many rules and regulations to prevent the spread of COVID-19, some of which are lockdown, section 144, 4 people gathering in a place, no more than 100 people in a place. And then the rules were relaxed a bit, and also crowd counting or density estimation helps in the management of crowd for safety and surveillance, such as deployment of law enforcement, personal and unusual behavior detection. It is also helpful in finding the volume of commuters, which can be important for development of public transportation infrastructure. And since in many cases, counting through turnstiles or counting by humans is not possible or it is too cumbersome, we need to restore to computer vision based approaches to get counting estimation for dense crowds. Here, all we saw was some rules and instruction given by the government which were supposed to be followed by the people. But until today, we have no effective method to make sure or enforce the law. We believe our project can help to achieve it. If not for this pandemic, we have several other applications which we can use for our project. Next, further topics will be shared by our teammate Vaishnavi.
So the next topic is objectives. The objectives are classified into different stages, which includes extraction, identification, classification, and decision. In the first stage, the extraction of the frame takes place, which are from the collected videos. After the extraction of the frame, identification of the humans takes place based on the features provided. Then the images are classified on the basis of heat map. And from the obtained map, crowd count can be calculated or estimated. So the next topic will be continued by my teammate Jyoti.
Coming to methodology, first we generate a training set and a testing net for the system to operate. From the obtained data set, extract the height, width, and channel of the image or a video. From the obtained, the data will be processed for the process of image acquisition and image resizing. For the applied images, we'll apply the Gaussian filter to remove the noise and from the image that we have obtained. After all these process, we'll apply the CNN algorithm for the training and testing. For this purpose, we'll input the values or transform by transferring through a series of hidden layers. For the model building phase, we'll build a model, evaluation, hyperparameters, tuning, validation, and visualization if needed. These are the process to overcome the problem of feature extraction for the purpose of recognition also. From this step, we can predict whether it is a human being or not. After that, after recognition of the correct prediction of the human will map with a ground truth or a heat map. After that, we'll obtain the approximate value of ground analysis in the output. Further, Manish will be continuing the PPT.
Now moving towards proposed system. In this proposed system, we are trying to implement the crowd density estimation methods, which are provided with the most satisfying result. The characteristics obtained from CNN model are shown the strong capacity to count the crowd and algorithms of estimation. CNN means convolution neural network, which is automatically detect the important features without any human supervision. CNN also used to image processing, classification, segmentation, and image extraction. This project can be revised to form a new application with multiple advantages and can be implemented for a specific application like monitoring the crowd in shopping malls and also in uncontrolled environment like bus and railway stations. Now moving towards pending works. Clear understanding of project process, future survey of literature which could give a better understanding of the project, study on selecting suitable algorithms and comparing those algorithms to get better accuracy, implementation of effective system. Thank you.